Dear friends, it is very important practice for the beginners. Practice this before starting calligraphy, so that there will be pressure on the downward movement of the tip but not the upward movement. It will make the downward movement bold and the upward movement narrow. One more thing, all these lines should be parallel to each other. In case of narrow lines, you can see that we are moving in upward direction without pressure that will cause a narrow line. Now you can clearly observe this narrow and the bold movement. A M L and H. Dear friends, after completing this exercise, then you have to practice more and more the English alphabets. You need to note the main areas. What are the areas? Which part of the alphabet is bold and which part is narrow?